In a fiery exchange of words, Zimbabwe's opposition leader, Advocate Nelson Chamisa, has hit back Vice President Constantino Chiwenga following a direct attack of his character. Sarabina munodzizere andopana kuti bva subscriber wolaika wotina on the bell icon. Nochipina munomnonyoga muchinzi Chiwenga, known for his outspoken nature, described Chamisa as nothing more than a goat header during a public address on Monday. The Vice President's remarks came amid escalating political tensions in the country, with Chiwenga aligning himself with ruling party ZANU-PF and Chamisa leading the opposition movement. In his response, Advocate Chamisa emphasized the significance of the biblical story, implying that just like Goliath, a shepherd and underdog, overcame the giant Goliath, he too would prevail against his critics and adversaries. Chamisa's response was framed with confidence and a touch of defiance, evident in his statement, "It is a game on." Ndokumashoko anoreplaiwa Chiwenga na president veopposition vaNelson Chamisa. Ava zvainoratidza kuti Nelson Chamisa aiwa chimudhara noti anova reply achiti aiwa nini I'm a shepherd boy, noda kuti ndichauya ndichikudhifitai saGoliath angodhifitiwa naDavid. Goliath anga akakwira usingatomboiti same neZANU-PF. Vanhu vanoitya uchiti aiwa ZANU-PF ihombe, asi ari kuti aiwa ndichikudhifitai semadhifitiro angoitawo Goliath. Muri Zimbabwe tiudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro penhau iyi. Aiwa musanganwa subscribe, kulaika, turn on the bell icon.